Hi everyone, Searing Frost here. Today we're going to reach into the Python grab bag and pull out special methods. Special methods in Python, also known as magic methods or dunders, are methods that allow Python operators to work on objects. Special methods start and end with double underscores, thus the name dunders. For example, objects that have a __length method can have the built-in length function called on them. Objects that have the __ iterator method can be used with iteration with for, I in object. We're going to go over a couple of implementations, but the options are basically limitless. The addition operator can be used on custom objects. Let's implement a cat class, and when we add a male cat and female cat with the plus operator, we should get a kitten. Our cat class will be simple and just have a gender. Let's put in the add method, and it takes another cat. If the cat's genders are opposite, then we will return a kitten, and just give them the gender of the first cat. We can then create a male cat, and a female cat, and when we use the plus operator, we get a kitten. Trees are data structures that can be accessed in a variety of ways. Let's implement a binary tree, which is a tree with a root and two nodes that are either empty or another binary tree. I'm going to just stick to integers for simplicity. Each tree will have a value and then a left and right node. To iterate through this binary tree, it requires its own __iter method and an additional binary tree iterator class that implements __iter and __next. Using the for I in object syntax, Python will call the iterator's next method until a stop iteration exception is raised. When integer binary tree's iter method is called, it needs to return an instance of binary tree iterator. Binary tree iterator will iterate through instances of integer binary tree depth first, though many implementations are possible. Depth first will require a stack, while breadth first requires a queue. The details aren't too important here. I just implemented this algorithm from scratch, so it's probably not optimal. The important parts are the stack, which will keep track of what nodes have been visited, and the raising of stop iteration when all values have been exhausted. We just need to add the iter method on our integer binary tree and have it return an instance of binary tree iterator. Now that the iter method is defined, it can be tested with a binary tree. I've made it so the integer values are also the order of depth first traversal. And this is the equivalent tree in Python. And now we can iterate through the tree using for value in root and print out the values in the correct order. Thanks for watching this grab bag episode on special methods. Customizing your classes to use standard Python syntax is a fantastic way to increase usability and help new users jump in and start working with your code. It's also just a lot of fun. Links to my blog post on special methods in the video code are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.